Okay, so let's talk opacity in Unreal because we haven't covered this yet in our material section and we're bringing in foliage. We need to know how to get the opacity and the double-sided to work inside of Unreal. So if I'm looking at this right now, I can see I have a black outline around my leaves and there's like a clipping foliage from my meshes only being one-sided. So real quick, all I need to do is double click on the material. And when I brought this in from Maya, it did import my textures for me automatically. But if we look at this, I can see that I have my base color plugged in and I have a second map here for my opacity. I technically don't need two of these. This one could be a black and white map, which I actually do have a cutout of. So if you have something like this that you need, you can bring that in as well. But because mine's a PNG, it automatically has it stored within it. So I just need to select my material, which I forgot to rename mine. And we need to change the blend mode from opaque, or maybe yours came in at translucent, and we need to change it to masked. And you may have to plug in your opacity map, the alpha channel, the A channel, into opacity mask. The other thing that I might need to do is, while I'm selected on that material, is to turn on two-sided. So if I just click this as true, we can see that the backside appears here. And let's click apply and save. Let's check our tree again. So when I come back to my mesh preview here, I can see all of the foliage that I've added to my tree appears, and it also casts a shadow of it. So a pretty important step to follow if you want your tree to appear as expected.